Hi, this is Danielle Shay with Simpler Options, and this is the free video for Wednesday, April 18th. So in the free video, I'm going to go ahead and discuss two different setups. One of them I have not entered yet, and the other one I did get an entry today. So for the first one, we're going to be talking about BZUN. So this one came up on our Simpler Trading Scanner, on our Daily Pop Candidate Scanner. So this scan is looking for tickers that have a daily squeeze, that are within range of their all-time highs, and also have pretty high short interest. So what we're looking for here is we're looking for just a nice bullish trending chart, and admittedly this trend could be a little bit better. You know, you can see it's a little bit sloppy at times, falling below the moving averages, but for the most part it does have a stair-step higher pattern. Additionally, what I like about this chart is that it maintains bullish symmetry. So you can see these pullbacks here, right here, and right here. Right here also projecting from this last recent high. Those are going to project a pullback zone down here, which overlaps perfectly with our moving averages. So that gives us a really nice area of support here. So for all of those reasons, I like this chart to the long side. I also really like this daily squeeze here. I like my ready aim fire buy signal. I've got a buy on the VZO, and I have a run into earnings. So all of those reasons, I like this chart long. Now, we are sitting right on top of the 8-period moving average. It would be better to buy it on a little bit deeper of a pullback. You can see these levels come in between 41.5 and 43.5. So a deeper pullback would be better. You know, right up on the 8, not a terrible spot, but I do like to get my conservative entries if I can. So what I typically do with these things is I'll go ahead and grab a portion of my entry here, planning to add on a pullback down into this range. So that gets to the question of how would you trade it? Well, earnings is on the 16th. So I would have to go into this earnings series in May, and I would just very simply buy these Delta 67 long calls at 45 strike. I'd grab one around the 8-period moving average, grab another one down at the 21 or 34 if it pulls back. If we don't get a pullback, at least we got a little bit of it. If we do get a pullback, we can add at lower prices. So that is my first idea for you. The next idea is one that I did get into today, so this one has taken off a little bit, but this is SEDG. This is #1 on the Investors Business Daily top 50 list, so for that reason I especially like it. But this one has a pretty solid trend. Again, not perfect. You can see there are a couple places where it falters just a little bit, but for the most part it really does hold on to these moving averages really nicely. So why did I get it in today? Primarily because of this level of symmetry. So same thing as BZUN. We have a really nice hold of symmetry on this pullback. We've got a squeeze. We got a really nice ready aim fire buy signal. So I got into that one earlier today. And let's see what I have here. So I only grabbed one contract so far for about $6.90. This is the 50 strike out in the 18th of May. So I would like to add on to this if we got a pullback. I think these Delta 58s are a good option if you want to go a little bit cheaper, or the Delta 70s, which are now Delta 77s. Either one of those are fine. I just tend to stick within the money a little bit more just because the expiration is out a little bit further dated in time. But as you can see, nice daily squeeze, 195 slingshot squeeze, and really nice hold of symmetry here. So thank you very much. This has been the free video, and I hope you enjoyed it and got something out of it. And for those of you who are going to be listening to the premium video, I'll give you a couple more ideas there. Thank you very much. I hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the trading room.